We have learned a great many lessons in our first year of drone security. One of the biggest being that predictability is a vulnerability. The drone gives us many tools to address being predictable. We create multiple missions for a site. We can change launch times, mission order. We can change where the camera is looking. All of these changes are put in place to avoid being predictable. We recognize that every client has different wants and different needs. Therefore, we have set up our team, our training, our operations center, all to be able to handle different drones and different platforms. One of the reasons we've been so successful in this first year is the 24/7 operations foundation that this company is built on. From the officers that work the street every day to our operations center that is monitoring cameras, we had that framework, that infrastructure all built, which really helped us bring drones in and hit the ground running. Every client's different. Every site's different. That's why we will sit down with you to figure out what your concerns are, what the vulnerabilities are, just as we have with our clients over this last year. We will then deploy the drone in a manner that helps you sleep best at night. At Titan Protection, we believe in the combination of the right people and the right technology. With drones, that means it's a force multiplier, not a replacer. We work best with boots on the ground and the good people in our Security Operations Center. For more information, visit tpcsecurity.com/drones.